Yeah,
This
we want to show him that
is the VibeMobile.
do this, but we didn't want to go any further. Just in
At
case
first
it
look,
was in vain.
it's ugly. It's very ugly. There's crap,
It's like
torn
a
up
stripper with
seats.
no teeth.
There's torn up stuff, old couches, rotten carpet. It's a mess. But by our senior year, this will be a masterpiece.
Show the bedroom.
This will be
with the rat shit on the bed.
this will be
We're burning it.
good for senior trips and all that fun stuff.
What do you think a video is?
We officially commit. We're on day 1 of working. This
Oh
is
my
our
god.
first ever. Devin's already pulling out TVs.
Just toss them out there.
This is our first official day of work. We finally have claimed, we do not own, we have claimed it. But
We have been granted permission to work on it.
this is our start.
Day 2. Couch is gonna go, bed's gonna go, gonna clean all this crap up. Floor is gonna go.
Floor is nasty. Anyway, so
Time lapse.
that is an entire rat dead,
That's not good.
decomposed to a skeleton.
I wasn't swinging full strength, so at least I didn't go through the wall.
Gavin's smart self decided that he was going to
Miss.
use a lead pipe to break an arm off of a
You
chair.
told me to do it, jackass.
Give me the box cutters. Go ahead.
Go for it. Jesus, you didn't even.
You're gonna stab yourself.
I was worried about that. Brady's dad's house? We should probably get closer. No! Come on. I'm on the edge of the tailgate.
We're back for day 2. It's the morning now. We just looking at it in daylight, and to be honest, changes actually look really good. We left some windows open so that it would air out overnight, causing the heat to be less and the smell to be less. The carpet's finally gone, not all the way, but